Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best wooden gazebos on Amazon. Wooden gazebos are beautiful and timeless additions to any garden or backyard. They are ideal for entertaining guests in the summer months. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Yolani Wooden Gazebo. The Yolani wooden gazebo is constructed out of premium spruce wood. The gazebo is treated with oil immersion to resist corrosion, rain, snow, and wind. Its solid construction allows it to safely withstand up to 10 inches of snow. Plus, it can handle winds as fast as 55 miles per hour. Unlike metal roofs, asphalt roofs do not rust. Better yet, they do not require any maintenance. Asphalt is also highly waterproof. It has a natural look that blends perfectly as well. The gazebo's sloping top design adds an elegant look to any outside space. This design allows rain and snow to flow from the eaves onto the ground. This wooden gazebo comes with all the hardware and tools you need to set it up. What we like about it: pictorial instructions for easy assembly. Sturdy aluminum frame with a thick finish. Designed to withstand windy conditions. What we don't like about it: long assembly time. Number 2. Sunjoy Wooden Gazebo. The Sunjoy Wooden Gazebo is perfect when you want to add protection, stability, and privacy to your outdoor patio. Its durable matte black 2-tier steel roof pairs well with its premium cedarwood frame. It keeps the heat and water out, ensuring optimal comfort during outdoor gatherings. The gazebo comes with illustrated assembly instructions, making the gazebo simple to set up. It is also equipped with a dual rail system, allowing you to suspend mosquito netting and privacy curtains for extra protection. You'll also receive a ceiling hook to hang your lighting fixtures. This gazebo boasts an impressive dimension while still being lightweight. This gazebo stands out as an attractive addition to any garden or patio area. It's also a functional solution when you want privacy, protection, and shade. What we like about it: can withstand strong winds. Quality parts and solid cedar wood. The vented roof lets wind escape. What we don't like about it: requires skill and time to assemble. Number 3. Backyard Discovery Wooden Gazebo. The Backyard Discovery Wooden Gazebo is made of cedar. It is highly rot-resistant and capable of withstanding up to 8,280 pounds of snow. It can even hold up in winds as fast as 100 miles per hour. Its heat-insulated steel roof will keep your gazebo cool by reducing heat transfer by up to 20 degrees. Also, to provide extra dent and corrosion resistance, the roof has durable and heavy-duty steel anchoring brackets. These features mean the gazebo will remain stable and secure, even in severe weather conditions. Plus, the structure is pre-cut, pre-drilled, and pre-stained. This makes assembly easy thanks to the help of the detailed and interactive built app. Not only is this wooden gazebo strong and versatile, but it also has a timeless classic design that will look great in any yard or patio. What we like about it: easy to assemble. Built to withstand strong winds and snow. Attractive design to complement your backyard. What we don't like about it: not suitable for areas with heavy rain. Number 4. Aranese Wooden Gazebo. The Aranese Wooden Gazebo is designed with a beautiful hardtop roof. It is made out of black steel sheets that offer shelter from the sun and the rain. The hardtop prevents direct sunlight irradiation on your skin. Plus, the gazebo is crafted with 100% premium spruce wood. This results in superior durability that guards against corrosion. Additionally, this gazebo features 4 columns made from aluminum. These columns are connected by metal brackets that offer unbeatable stability in windy or snowy conditions. What we like about it: high quality and well constructed. Good value for the price. Sturdy and durable. What we don't like about it: can be time consuming to assemble. Number 5. Arami Wooden Gazebo. The Arami Wooden Gazebo has a spruce wooden frame and a double roof metal canopy. This wooden gazebo is the perfect combination of style and function. Its triangular structure and thick columns offer extra stability and support. That way, you can enjoy your outdoor space without worrying about its construction. The natural wood texture of the frame provides a rustic look that blends perfectly with any backyard. The surface is also coated to protect against moisture, extending the longevity of this gazebo outdoors. What we like about it: easy to assemble with basic hand tools. Durable construction and added protection. What we don't like about it: overlapping roof panels. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.